This browser extension prevents the most awkward screen sharing moments ever. Click the link in the description below to get your lifetime deal discount before it disappears. We've all been there, sharing your screen during a meeting when suddenly your private messages pop up, or your banking details are visible for all to see. Mortifying, right? Blurweb App is the simple solution you've been looking for. With just a single click, you can instantly blur sensitive information on any web page while you're screen sharing, recording videos, or giving presentations. What makes it brilliant is that the blurs stay put even when you reload the page or scroll around. No more creating dummy data or spending hours editing videos afterward. It works across Chrome, Edge, and Firefox, and it's ridiculously easy to use. Just click on whatever you want to hide: images, paragraphs, input fields, and poof, they're blurred. Users are absolutely loving it, giving it 4.6 out of 5 stars. One reviewer called it gold dust in one simple browser extension. Another said, "The blur follows my data while I scroll. I no longer have to create dummy info for show and tell." The best part? It's just 12 quid for a lifetime deal on AppSumo right now. That's it, no monthly subscriptions, no hidden fees. And it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Whether you're an educator, content creator, or just someone who regularly shares their screen, this is a no-brainer investment in your privacy and professionalism. Click the link in the description to grab your lifetime deal before it's gone. Your future embarrassment-free self will thank you.